Hello, very pleasant day to all of us. This is teacher Oliver C. Silvano. And again, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we're going to create a tutorial on how to update school profile with Project Digital Quiz Essentials. So, start, we need to navigate to our system, open the Project Digital Quiz Essentials. And as you can see, andito na po tayo sa school information page na diretso, no? So, kung halimbawa, dito po kayo sa quiz maker or quiz server, you just click on this school profile para po dito tayo makapag-edit ng ating school profile. Okay? So, this information here is are being used with the reporting on the system. Okay, and then it's very important that the information on this page is actually correct, no? So we have here the first field. We have region, so you can choose from region 1 up to BARM, region 13, and then BARM. So example, Zamboanga Peninsula, region 9, and then for the division, nakalist din po kung ano yung mga division dito. This is Zamboanga del Norte lang po. And then for the district, Bakungan, and then the school ID is that is our school ID 30, 36, 72, and then the name of the school, you have to supply the name of the school, and then the school address, and then the head of the school, and then the position of that school head. And then if you're done, you just click on save para ma-save po yung information na yan. Okay? Hindi po yan masasave kapag may kulang na informations. Dapat kompleto po yung information na yan. And then right after clicking on save, magpa-pop up po siya showing that school information has been successfully saved. Okay? Just click on OK and it's done. Okay? So, that's it. And thank you for watching and God bless.